Hi there, I'm Dorothy the organizer, and you can simplify your summer by doing two things. One, watch what you buy, and two, watch what you keep. In terms of watching what you buy, this person actually loves to collect retro things. But I advised her, be sure to keep it within the theme of what you already have so you can display and enjoy. Now, in terms of what you keep, I advise keeping it small. Things like ticket stubs or travel money from around the world. It all fits really nicely in a beautiful little container that sits in your living room. How about sorting through the glasses? Oh no, sunglasses, glasses that you buy along the way when you're traveling. They're broken, scratched. Get rid of them. Keep what's good and toss the rest. And remember, the less you have, the more you can enjoy. Good luck. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and you can visit me at dorothytheorganizer.com.